Find the equation for the parabola that has a vertex at the origin and directrix, boom. Okay. So let me come on. I'm going to again, draw the thing because it's helpful. So they're saying that the vertex is at the origin. So that's right here. That's the vertex. It's the center. Vertex is the same as center. And it has a directrix line. X is negative 1/13. Where's that? Well, I'm just going to put it back here. I'll just say this is negative 1/13. So right here, this is X is negative 1/13. Negative 1/13. So that's the directrix. Now, I know it's, right, this is the x-axis. I know it had to be to the left because it's negative. So it's back, negative 1/13. Okay, now what does that mean? So what we need to determine now is which way do the branches go? That's the most important thing about a parabola, is knowing which way, because that's the hardest thing and the most important thing about a parabola is the fact that it can go 4 directions, up, down, right, or left. So could the branches be going up? No way. Could it be going down? No way. Could it be going left? No way. It's got to be going right. How do I know? Because the directrix line is always behind the parabola. Look at the pictures. Let me show you the 4 pictures from the notes. See how the directrix line is always behind the parabola. The focus point is inside the branches. The directrix line is behind. So we have a directrix line here. Then the branches must be going to the right. Good. See that? Just by using the pictures. So we know that much for sure. Let me draw some branches here. Branches have to be going like this. They have to be going to the right. Okay. Now, and there's some kind of focus point, over here, but we don't really care about focus point. We need to come up with the equation. So what's the equation of one that goes like that to the right? Well, the equation is y squared is 4ax when it goes to the right with the directrix line behind. Y squared is 4ax. Well, let's write that because that's what they want, the equation. Oops. So y squared is 4ax. And so all we need to find now is the a. What is the a? Well, if you look again back to the picture, the a is this distance back or the distance forward to the focus. This line is technically x equals negative a, you see. Yeah, that's probably the most helpful thing right there. That directrix line is x equals negative a. So this is x equals negative a. So the a must be the 1/13, right? Let's see, draw that with a different color, maybe more standoutish. Right? That a must be 1/13. Now, the a is not negative 1/13. You might think, well, how do we know it's not negative? We'll just look at the thing, right? There's already a negative there. And the formula x equals negative a already has a negative. So the a must be 1/13. Where am I getting that? Well, right here. X is negative a from the diagram. Right back there. So yeah, so the directrix line, this is back 1/13, this is forward. So so that a is a positive regular 1/13. Is that making sense? The other thing is, remember, it's this right side in the equation has to be positive. Why? Because it's going to the right. Remember the direction, it says it right here. The branch is open in the direction indicated by the first power letter. So notice if it goes to the right, it's plus 4x. If it goes to the left, it's minus 4ax. So ours is going to the right, it's got to be positive. So there's several ways you can see the directrix line is always negative. Well, it's not always negative, but in this case, it's negative because it's back, which means the a itself is 1/13. So just regular 1/13. So how do we simplify this equation? Well, any whole number is over 1 goes to the top, right? 4 times 1, 1 times 13. We get 4/13 x. There it is. There's the equation. Type in y squared equals 4/13 x. There's the equation of the parabola that has vertex at the origin and directrix negative 1/13. So there we go.